But like, it ain't nothing. It ain't got nothing on. It ain't got nothing on Georgia.
No, ma'am.
No ma'am. No ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No ma'am.
Not at fucking all. That shit don't even work.
Why are you shaking your head?
George is so fucking and you just fucking did that shit in public.
Are you serious right now?
Why are you embarrassed?
She just said that fucking 281 because she said what she could.
That's his area code though. You can't help it. Precious.
That's not his area code.
Precious.
Oh, Chris.
Don't call Chris, bro. Chris don't like you. Nah, I gotta holler at Chris though. My lemonade tastes like water and spit.
Can we eat?
Chris, I got a problem. My lemonade is like, it's not up to par. Yeah, something wrong with it. You want to taste it and see?
Let me go check them.
Can I get some of what she got?
Wait, please put my order in, please, because I'm starting already. I'm gonna
Yeah, we can put our orders in. It don't matter.
No, I don't want to plug it. That's that. What is it?
She just got your hand over your. She embarrassed.
both good